What's up, guys? Troy here. This is Do It Again by Elevation Worship again. And I figured I'd throw it out there. I know it's been done a million times, but we're playing this song in the key of A now. And I figured I'd throw it out there for some of you who are playing it in the key of A and maybe need a bit of help transposing it. We do this song a lot at our Tuesday night addiction recovery gatherings. It seems to be maybe like one of their favorite songs. The people that attend these gatherings are struggling with addiction. Obviously, they're broken. They're in a dark place. And this song, it's like, personally, when we play it, I feel like the band is kind of singing it over them as like a prayer, that we know they're broken, that they're in darkness, and the only thing that can push back that darkness and repair their brokenness is Jesus. So it's almost like a prayer over them when we sing it. So never gets old. I've played this song a million times. And that's what I love about worship, is that these songs, to me, I don't care, they never get old. Today we actually played How Great Is Our God by Chris Tomlin. We mashed it up with Yes I Will by Vertical. And it doesn't matter because the truth is still the same. God is the same yesterday, today, and forever. And the truths about him are always the same. So whether the song's 25 years old or 25 minutes old, if it has truth, then we can sing it. And that's why I love worship, because these songs just, they never get old to me. So anywho, this is Do It Again by Elevation Worship, key of A. If you want the pedal board shot, tablature, the little lesson at the end describing the tones and breaking down some of the parts, that's over at GuitarforHISGLORY.com. So you can check that out. Otherwise, hope you guys enjoy this version of Do It Again. See ya.
Walking around these walls, I thought by now they'd fall, but you have never failed me yet. Waiting for change to come, knowing the battle's won.
lock it in.
Promise still stands. Great is your faithfulness, faithfulness.